Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a bronze-ish type makeup look using the Kylie Cosmetics Sipping Pretty palette. If you guys did not watch my first review, demo impressions, I will have that linked or like in my next videos. But I did want to do at least one more look not using any of the pink shades. So this is the look I came up with and I will show it to you guys. I'm going to try to be super fast today and not ramble too much. Still happened a little, but I try. Anyways though, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. I am uploading every single week, 2 to 3, 4 times, at least 3. So hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. I appreciate it so much. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Okay, so the only thing I have done right now is my concealer. And then I did some powder underneath my eyeballs. This is the Huda Beauty, just to catch any fallout, which I didn't have anything with this palette, but the first time, but just in case, we're gonna use it. And gosh, my lips were really dry, so I have the Agave lip mask on, my favorite for hydration, because my lips are dry, my mouth is dry, and I'm just like. So my goal is to try to stay under 20 minutes for this video. We will see if that happens. I am trying to speed it up. So again, we're gonna go in with the Sippin' Pretty Kylie palette. We're just not gonna use any of the pink tones today. All right, so I'm gonna take this first shade and just set my lid with it. And I think I'm just gonna do this eyeball. That seems to go by a lot faster. I take my time when I'm doing videos. I just enjoy the process of putting on makeup, so trying to do both really fast is just not my cup of tea. I just get super stressed out, and it's stupid to be stressed out over makeup. I know, first world problems, but I do. So I'm just gonna do this eyeball on camera with you guys. Okay, so next, we're gonna take a blending brush. We are gonna go in with this camel type shade right there and just blend it through. Next, on a smaller brush, we're gonna take this sienna shade right here. It reminds me a lot of, what is it, Anastasia's shadows. I think it is called sienna, but it reminds me a lot of those tones, and I really love those colors. So super pigmented, as you guys can see. But these are probably my favorite types of browns to use in general. And we're just gonna focus this a little bit lower. Ooh, I picked up a lot of shadow. All right, so again, with that first brush, we're going to lighten that a little bit because I did not mean to go so dark. And just blend it out. Okay, so now we're gonna take a tinier crease brush. We're gonna take this reddish brown shade right here. I'm gonna really lightly dip it in and tap it off. That way I don't go in like last time. Okay. Don't worry, we're gonna clean that up. We're gonna clean it up a little bit. So now I'm gonna take this dark brown shade. I think this is my favorite shade actually. It's like such a pretty brown, like, I wouldn't even say like, I don't know how to describe it. It's got brown, but it's also like a reddish brown. You know what I mean? Because that was super descriptive, I know. I know. And we're just gonna keep tapping the brush because, yeah, we need to.
Any ideas?
You're gonna go back in with a clean brush and just blend it out. Okay, so now I am going to cut my crease. I'm gonna do that off camera so it doesn't take so long, and I will be right back. So I went ahead and finished the sidewall because I was like, I'm there, I might as well do it, rather than dipping back and forth and losing my shit. So let's go ahead and finish up the other one. Let's even her out. So as you can see, I only did a half cut crease, and I did it super light. Like, I didn't go in heavy with concealer just because I didn't feel like I needed to. So I'm gonna pick up this center gold shade. Whoa. This shade right here. There we go. Would help if you guys can see, huh? And I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush. So I filmed this look yesterday and I used blue in my waterline, and I just was not feeling it. Me and blue just don't have the same vibe sometimes. Like, I'm just not into dark blues, I guess. Because I was just like, no, we're gonna refilm this. These, what are these? So as you can see, like, her metallics aren't amazingly pigmented, but they're still there. I'm just gonna go over that with my finger. I feel like it still makes it a little bit better. Guys, I got those fake nail things and I haven't put them on. I'm just too lazy. Just has not happened. There you go. So that is all I'm going to do for that side. And then as far as the lower lash line goes, I'm gonna take a little pencil brush. We're gonna go, well, it's not a pencil brush, it's a smudger. Pro Smudge from Sephora. I love this brush. We're gonna take this sienna shade again and smudge out the lower lash line. You don't have to be so dramatic as mine is, but I like a smudgy, smoky lower lash line. So next you're gonna take a really tiny, this is an eyeliner brush, this is the Morphe R45. And I'm gonna take Kylie's Tangerine lipstick, and I'm just gonna kind of brush it on the edge. I washed my brushes yesterday too, I'm very proud of myself, except for I hate the waiting time for them to dry. Like, they were wet a good while, and I cannot stand it. Okay. So we're gonna take that in the waterline. And I did try this out already, and I have a very, very sensitive lower lash line. My eyeballs turn bright red, and like Urban Decay, I can't use their eyeliners, and it really sucks. But this was fine, it didn't do anything to me. However, if you do not feel comfortable, just find a different orange. All right. But yeah, I love that orange in there. So now just kind of blend it all out. I'm gonna grab this lighter shade. No, I'm gonna grab that vanilla shade that we set the lid with, and just kind of go underneath it. Just make sure it's all blended in. Okay, that is it right now for the Sippin' Pretty palette. I'm gonna put lashes on, and then we are going to do the face. Okay. So these are no, they're not. They are the Hollywood lashes from Lily Lashes. I think I said Miami because I feel like Miami and Mykonos are like their best sellers, but I don't think those are my favorite. I'm still looking for my favorite ones, but these I enjoy very much so far. I really like these lashes. I'm very happy. Okay, shut up now. So for the face, I'm gonna take some translucent powder. I'm just going to set it where I'm going to put my bronzer. I'm still not using foundation on my face, and to be honest, it's fine. Like, I'm fine with it because it saves me a lot of time, and my skin just, it's finally getting better, and I I don't feel as uncomfortable. Like obviously you guys can see I still have spots on it, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? Like I'd rather have that than have my face break out. So but yeah, it's been about a month since I started, after I went to the dermatologist and started some new stuff, and I could say it's going very well. All right, we need to bronze up the skin, so it matches my eyeballs because I'm a little intense right now. So this is the Alexis Ren in ColourPop. I don't even know if this is still available, but this is a really good bronzer. It's a really good summer bronzer. It's kind of like Matte Give Me Sun, where it has that orange tint to it. I have no idea why I'm using this Morphe brush. It is the only Morphe brush that like I don't like. I wanted to because I love the shape of it, but it's just not as soft as a lot of their other brushes. I don't know what it is. I feel like people keep saying they love this brush, and every time I use it I'm just like, in the soft, and I like soft. I like it to feel like silk on my face. What else? It is Friday. I'm gonna go out with my family to dinner for my birthday since I didn't get to celebrate with them last weekend. And I kind of want True Foods Kitchen. Ooh, let me know where you guys like to go eat, but I really like True Foods. If you guys have not been there, look it up. It is so good. But it's like an hour, like 45-minute drive, and I'm just like, that's not worth it. Is it worth it? Like, should I make everybody? Because I'm like, it's my birthday. But at the same time, like, it's far. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I drive like 20-minute radius is kind of our stopping point now. Like, I don't go past that. But if I do, it's for food. I'm gonna be a little bit dramatic. So for my nose, I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. It's a box. You guys know what this box is. It's everywhere. But I only use this for my nose. I don't really like it for my face. And I don't even really contour my nose. Like, I literally just do a really light swipe. I have that stupid line across my nose that I've had my whole life. And if I go too dark, the line just pops through and it just looks like she don't know what the hell she's doing. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild blush in Mellow Wine. I'm going to do a very, very light, it's definitely pigmented, so I'm just going to do a very light tap. I'm so not a blush girl. I just don't like it. I don't like the blush in general. Alright. Trying to use as many Kylie products as possible because it's Kylie Day. I'm going to use this highlight. What is this one? Fiji. And I think what I'm going to do is actually wet my face first. I'm going to take some setting spray. I still hate that process so much. Everyone that says it's like amazing, I'm just like, reminds me of misters, and I hate them so much. So much. Alright, I just pick up what's in the cap since it's a loose powder, and voila. Give myself a little mustache. Alright, and we are almost done. So for lips, I'm going to take the Kylie Coconut Lip Liner. Try not to fuck it up by talking. You know what took me so long today? I thought I was going to be done with this video an hour ago, and I need to find stupid freaking bobby pins to pin my hair back. They're the worst. So you could tie this in and do the orange, and that way you have the orange kind of tie in with the lips. The orange is a very intense orange, so it's kind of up to you what you like or prefer. I don't think I'm going to go with this orange with this look. When I do my eyes, I just want my eyes to kind of pop. Okay, so I decided to go with the Kylie Velvet in Savage. instead. Because the orange was just, it was just too much. Too much. Okay, the only thing we didn't do was the inner corner, so I'm just going to do Fiji. I don't know how I forgot to highlight. What is my favorite part? It's eyebrows. I hate eyebrows with a passion. So there we go. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you out. We gonna talk. All right, guys. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was nice and fast. We'll see what happens when I get to editing. I never know. So, anyways, as far as this palette goes, I'm still really enjoying it. You know, I think when you initially look at it, you really see all the pink, but really, you can get a lot of looks out of this. Like, I didn't use one single pink shade, and I love how it turned out. I love these, like this row down here, like all the brown, reddish tone, like brick tones. So, yeah, I'm still super impressed, and as you guys can see, like, my palette doesn't look like it's super chalky and ruined, which I felt like a lot of the pictures leading up to the launch look like they were super chalky, but they don't apply super chalky. And there's not shit flying out all of the pants. So that's good. So yes, I still recommend this palette. If you guys want to see my very first impression, that was a pink look, I will definitely link it down below. But anyways, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Let me see what you guys want to see next. I hope you have a really good weekend. And that's it. Bye, guys. That's creepy. I don't like that.
I feel like I put on all this jewelry, I worry about what shirt I'm gonna wear, I take all this time, and then I'm like, and now you can't see anything. I could be naked right now, you have no idea. Why do I do that? And I'm like, I can't wear the same shirt I wore in the last video, and I'm like, you can't see it. But it's why I buy more clothes.